Hey guys, our best fence system is the best way to get shop accuracy out in the field on the job site. So it basically consists of aluminum extrusions we call fences. We have two different styles. We have the standard, which has a lip on the back, and the flat, which is completely flat. It's great if you have more curved pieces, long pieces of trim, you don't want to fight with the lip. The lip is great though for giving you a little bit of support, something to butt stuff up to in the back. So the way it works is we have a measuring tape installed in the fence. Measuring tape, you can get standard measurements only, or you can get standard with metric. And then we have a precision stop system. So the precision stop system has a little indicator in here. When you first set it up, you're going to slide that over to read 0. And when you're on 0, you can take your saw and you can just cut off a little bit of stop. That is going to zero it out. So then any measurement that you slide this indicator to, say 11 inches, you can just butt your piece of wood right up to the stop, fast and easy, zip it off, you have a perfect 11-inch cut. So it's gonna give you huge amounts of accuracy and huge amounts of efficiency compared to just trying to use your sawhorse supports. So this Dewalt system, there's a couple different options that you can use. So option 1 is what we call the LT. So that's what you're gonna see set up over here. So with the LT, you're gonna use these blocks that come with your system, and we're gonna send you just what we call an adapter block, which is this top plastic support piece. It has a small adjustment in it, but you're basically gonna have to figure out, once your saw is mounted to the stand, forward, back, where you need this, and drill precisely so you get it so that the fence is lined up with your saw right here without too much adjustment. If you're willing to do that work though and get it right, this is going to be the cheapest option for you. And these nice metal pieces actually are the most rigid solution that there is. Then we have the D2 system. So D2 system will introduce what we call our precision adjustment blocks. So that's this guy here. The precision adjustment block makes it so you just slap your fence on there, put the pin in, and then you can put a level across the back of your saw. And we have these nice big dials here. And as you can see right here, if I'm trying to dial in my back lip to be flush with my saw, I'm just gonna turn left until I get to perfectly flush. So it's super easy to readjust to get perfectly lined up with no work at all. So with our D2 system, you're gonna get 2 of those precision adjustment blocks. They're gonna be the 2 inside closest to the saw there. So where you're trying to get that fine tune up and down and back and forth directly to your saw, you'll have that nice adjustment. And then on the outside, you're gonna do what we had with the LT system, where you have just the top adapter block that bolts down to your yellow piece. Then our third system option is what we call the D4. So that one's gonna come with 4 precision adjustment blocks. So all 4, left side in and out, right side in and out, are gonna be the precision adjustment blocks. So those are your 3 systems for the 3 options for the Dewalt system. Also note that all the systems come with a carrying bag. So the carrying bag will store your fences while you're moving around. Also note on the Dewalt system, it works with the DWX 723 and the other stand with the folding legs. It does not work with the gravity rise style stand back there. If you have one of those Dewalt gravity rise style stands, you're gonna wanna look at our universal system. That's the Best Fence Dewalt system. Also, if you're getting this system and you want to extend more length on one side, each system comes with one 64-inch fence off each side. That 64-inch fence will give you measurements out to 62 inches. We only go to 62 because we need a little space next to the saw for the stop to be able to read on 0. If you want to add more length, you can check out our Add a Fence kit. It's going to come with everything you need: a fence connector, an upper hand, a tripod, and an extra fence with the tape measure, so you can add another 64 inches off either side like you see here. And then lastly, if you're cutting any really wide boards and you're worried about the width of the fence not being enough to support your cutoff from falling, you can check out our Best Fence lumber supports. These guys just snap right into the bottom of the fence and they stick out, so a wide board has something to rest on here.